Hey guys, Shay here. So I'm going to be updating the bathroom light to this new mid-century 3 light fixture, and I am going to go right ahead and take it off the wall. So initially, before you do anything, always turn off the power to that light from the box in the basement. So with my light, this came with the house when we first purchased it, so it has to go. I went ahead and detached all of the cords in the back. This video is being sponsored by the company for this light. They reached out to me, and it's a beautiful, gorgeous light, and I wanted to show you guys how it will look. So once everything was taken apart, this is the back part of that fixture. So I got my actual handheld tool here, and I am taking off those screws because I am not about to be twisted with my hands. That is just too much. So all four need to come out, so you can remove that base and you can expose all of the wires so that you can see what you are working with. Once all that was done, I went ahead and attached that silver piece to my wall, which was super easy, and I'm pulling out all of the cords that are actually already installed, that was previously installed with my old light. I'm detaching those things because those connectors do not work with this light. So all you're going to have is the black, the white, and also the brown, as you see that is going around that little green screw right there. Once you connect everything, use those connector cables, and you're going to screw those 4 screws you took out earlier back in place, and there you have it. Here it is once the light comes on at nighttime. It is completely beautiful. I changed the idea of doing it downward and did mine upward because I think it looks so much better, and I really enjoy this light. You have to buy your own bulbs, but the bulbs look beautiful, and this came out really well. It's a great option.